Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a truly essential piece of gear for anyone dealing with tight spaces in their audio or lighting setup. The Milestock right-angle female XLR to straight male XLR plug cable. This isn't just any cable. It's a meticulously designed solution that comes in a convenient 2-pack, each a compact 1 foot in length, making it an absolute game changer for decluttering and optimizing your rig. The most striking feature is that right-angle female XLR connector. For those who have struggled with cables jutting out awkwardly from mixers, audio interfaces, or DMX controllers, this design is a godsend. It allows for a much cleaner, more professional setup, preventing strain on ports and keeping your workspace tidy. Milestock has positioned this as a reliable replacement part, and its build quality certainly lives up to that promise. Underneath its robust exterior, this professional microphone cable boasts some serious engineering. It features oxygen-free copper conductors, crucial for maintaining signal integrity and ensuring your audio remains pristine, free from unwanted coloration. Complementing this, the cable incorporates a twin-conductive PVC shield along with spiral shielding. This dual-layer protection is specifically designed to combat electromagnetic interference, EMI, and radio frequency interference, RFI noise, which can be a real headache in live environments or recording studios. The result is a remarkably clean and quiet signal path, allowing your sound to shine through without compromise. What truly sets this Milestock cable apart is its incredible versatility. While it's an obvious choice for connecting professional microphones to audio interfaces or mixers, or linking mixer outputs to speakers, its capabilities extend far beyond just audio. Thanks to its impressive 98% braided shield, this cable is also perfectly suited for DMX lighting applications. This means whether you're setting up for live stage performances, concert halls, or even intricate camera rigs, this cable can handle the demands, ensuring reliable data transmission for your lighting cues. The 1 foot length, often overlooked, is actually a huge advantage. It's ideal for short runs, minimizing cable clutter and reducing the potential for signal loss over longer, unnecessary lengths. Imagine tidying up a pedal board, a rack unit, or a compact studio desk. These cables are precisely what you need to achieve that clean, professional look and feel. The fact that it comes as a 2-pack further enhances its value, providing immediate solutions for multiple connections. In essence, the Milestock right-angle female XLR to straight male XLR plug cable is a testament to thoughtful design and quality construction. It's a robust, interference-resistant, and incredibly practical solution for anyone seeking to optimize their audio or DMX setup, especially where space is at a premium. Its performance and versatility make it an indispensable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike, ensuring reliable connections and a cleaner, more efficient workflow.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.